baddest bras in the city. That's all I'm hit. That's just how I live. Money and pretty women, honeys and fitness.
Hey y'all, this is allofdestiny, and in this video I'll be sharing with you all exactly how I got my hair to look like this, or not my hair. Hashtag it's a wig. I was like, oh snaps, hold on. This look is giving me bohemian, pull up to the pool party, late slaying, summer 2018. I don't know what else. It's giving me all kinds of vibes right now. Like, I'm feeling it. Let me know if you're feeling this too in the comment section down below. This video is sponsored by PremierLaceWigs. If you're not new to my channel, you know I've been working with them for a while now. Inside of the box, just quickly before we do the hair tutorial, they do send you wig caps. I started using the wig cap, but then I kind of took it off. But these definitely come in handy, like if your braids are old, whoops, or if you want to do the stocking cap method, all of that good stuff. The elastic band, which I do have attached to my wig, as well as instructions. Actually, this is really handy for that, and you'll have some left over because you will not need all of this. All of the details about this wig I will have in my description box down below. If you keep up with my vlogs, then this is that same loose curly hair that I was wearing in Magic Springs. So I've really been wearing this hair for about 2 weeks now, maybe June the 30th. Today's Friday the 13th. Yeah, I've been wearing it for like 2 weeks now. Just throw some products in there and you're good to go. One of the things that I do like about curly hair is less effort that needs to be put into it compared to when you're wearing like straight hair, because you either have to blow dry it and flat iron it, or you have to decide if you want curls and all of that. But with hair like this, you grab your spray bottle, brush it through, I'm good to go. Quick little style, voila. Go ahead and get right into the video, and I hope you all enjoy it. This is the hair, freshly washed. I did do a little bit of plucking to it. It did come pre-plucked. I probably already said that. It's got the adjustable straps, the combs, all of that good stuff, y'all. Let's put her on. Oh no, wait. You move it too fast. I haven't filmed in a while. So as far as the stocking cap method, I already have a video showing specifically, I won't even say how to do it, but a more detailed one on how I did mine the first time. But I'll link that video down below if y'all want to check that one out. Plus y'all will get to see me with red hair if you're interested. It doesn't look like y'all can see anything that I've done, but in person you can. Ooh. Make sure that I'm unraveling the lace really good so that it lays flat. I'm gonna attempt to really slay today because I haven't really just like done my hair and just done my makeup in a while. If y'all follow my Instagram, Twitter, y'all have heard about how much of a procrastinator I've been. So I'm finally sitting down today, so we're gonna accomplish something. Also, I did attempt to bleach the knots, but this is like a black wig, so they didn't really take. Kind of in the front, I feel like the front came like really what? I feel like the front came bleached already from here to about here, but then the rest of this is not bleached. But I tried to bleach it, it just didn't take. I could have attempted it again, but I ain't want to. I didn't really comb through it good. All the hair I plucked is still trying to come out. I'm literally in the moment about to improvise, by the way. For the mood that I'm in right now, we're not going to glue the entire thing down. I'm just going to glue it on the sides because this is pretty much being held down really good just because of my elastic band. But just in case I want to pull the sides back, I'm going to apply some of this. I'm just yapping. You can tell I haven't filmed in a while. I'm thrown off. I hope this be a good video. Since I'm in the process of filming 2 videos at once, I'm going to film my brows while I wait on my... Hey!
Take the book.
Yeah, watch the cord. Uh-oh, careful. Come in. Come in. No, that's my beauty blender. No. Why are you so excited? Come here. You want to say hey? You just want to mess with stuff. I want to fill my brows in. This would have gave the gel time to pretty much dry and get like tacky and stuff. Didn't really feel like blow drying it, but my nephew came in, perfect timing, precious baby. And so yeah, I'm just adjusting it further to fit my hairline, and then I'm just going to go ahead and press those sides into place. Finally cut that off. I don't know why I'm struggling. I'm kind of messing up like all the way, like completely, like I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just over here being brand new. I'm gonna just take some of the Softy gel and my Kiss Red by Kiss edge brush and comb, and just use that to lay my edges further. I don't really plan on wearing it too much longer, especially with my birthday coming up. It's like time for me to do something different to my hair. I want to go for the no edges look, or not, what? No edges. Not too much like of laid baby hairs, just a little bit, you'll see. At this point, I'm trying to just wing it because I don't know what I'm doing. I just don't today. If you've seen some of my other videos, I know y'all probably like, Destiny, what's going on? I'm just proceeding to attempt to lay my edges further and also create baby hairs. At the same time, I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do to the hair. So yeah, I guess in the moment of you all watching it, I've kind of come up with this by now, but me actually sitting there in that moment, I had no idea, I had nothing in mind. I was trying to decide if I was going to maybe just move my parting to a different side, do a half up, half down, maybe 2 ponytails, half up, half down. I don't know, but I'm using the Softy gel to pretty much lay the edges. And as far as creating the baby hairs, I just separate out really small strands of hair and I trim those to be shorter, and those become baby hairs. So, and you could do more or less. It really just depends on your preference. I'm trying to get to the point, because I did go ahead and pluck it further, I want to get to the point where I'm able to have like a really neat hairline, and it's just like brushed back, like a super sleek look, barely with any baby hairs at all. It takes some of this. After you bleach your knots, you have the option of pretty much tinting your frontal like with coffee. You can mix water and like a few drops of a brown hair dye. Just different ways to tint your frontal. I'll link a video in my description box down below. Can't really even think of anything at the moment. A little brush like this and some powder. I kind of just sweep it through different areas where the parting is open. You like tinted your lace to make sure that it really matches your skin tone, or if you did enough of the powder underneath the lace, you won't have to do this. It may look a little harsh right now, but if y'all see this in person, girl. Also, I'm going to dab this out with my beauty blender to really help the powder to blend into my skin. Not my skin, but the lace, which we want to look like is growing out of our scalp, aka skin, BKA slay, okay? So I'm just going to dab with my beauty blender. I'll rewash this before I do my makeup. No biggie. Just get it in there really good, kind of like pow pow. Oh my god, my head is hurting. Kind of like that. If your head is not hurting, you're not doing it right. Oh my god, Destiny, oh my god, girl, you can wear a ponytail. Like on my own edges, I use like the 24-hour edge timer by Even New York. But for a frontal and this type of hair, to really be able to move it around and lay the edges the way that I want to, and aside from the fact that I'm not really trying to like glue this down to where I'll be able to sleep in it tonight, but more so try to hold it on my head temporarily, the Softy works for that because it's like a gel and it's really like movable. If you've used the edge timer before, I don't have it right now, I need to buy some more, but for example, this is the Lusty edge gel. I grabbed this at Dollar Tree. The first 5 ingredients in this is just like the Eben 24-hour edge timer. I compared it because I had like my travel size in my purse at the time. So this is that one. Compared to this like moves. Now after my edges have been set, then you can go in with something like this and just kind of gently, I put too much right there, use this to set what you've already done. You can also do this with your Got To Be Glued gel, any gel that's a little more, what's the word I could use, firm, I don't know, stronger, thicker, tougher pomade. Like this will help to really hold that in place. I'm liking the way I pluck this. Wish I would have kind of tinted the lace. That would have really helped me, but y'all get the gist. I'm trying to get into the swing of filming again, so if I sound a little off from people that watch a lot of my videos all the time, it's because I took like a week off. It's kind of hard to cut the camera back on and just, I don't know. Or by the time I finish my hair and go straight into filming this makeup tutorial next, I'm gonna be back like I left some. This is probably gonna be a long video, but since I haven't uploaded in a while, I'm hoping that makes you all excited and not like that's too long of a video. I have some wrap strips. This is the packaging. It fell apart, but just in case you're interested, and I'll also have the name in my description box. This is the Mega Wrap Strip 40. Come in the pack. I normally just grab whichever ones I see when I go to the beauty supply store. These, it's not really something like one is better than the other or anything like that. Kind of stretch it out. I find with these, if you can't tie it up, if you twist it, it'll still hold. Like bread tie strips or something. Now we're gonna work with the hair. Whenever I have curly hair or any such thing, I always just go for my sister's products because she has natural hair. Whatever she's using at the moment, which is usually Cantu, that's what I just grab, and it works the same as it would on her natural hair. It just works for curly hair. This is the Cantu Care for Kids Curling Cream. It defines and tames fuzzy frizz. good amount. Separate the hair in half. Left side, what's on the right hand goes on the right side. I try to get it off my hands first, then I can use both hands on one side. If any hair is coming out, I did pluck this and I was just kind of combing only at the root. I really haven't combed it all the way through since plucking, so that's what that is. This hair doesn't really shed at all. One thing I will say though, with it being black, this is a 1B. When I do wash it, it runs, so that is something to keep in mind. Like if I want to keep it damp, it doesn't really drip on me. I like to work with this hair best while it's wet, damp, and then allow it to really set itself in place. Also, this is like a looser curly pattern, so it's not going to be super curly. I've had some of their more curly hair before. I'll link a video down below. It's like go to the beach hair. So now that the hair is detangled, an amount, I wish I could see it, it's clear so you can't really see. Gonna get an amount of the softy and do the same thing. What's on the left hand goes to the left, what's on the right goes to the right. Work it all together. This might be a talk through because I'm talking a lot. More like a chill type of video, not necessarily come on here, I'm gonna teach you how to do it and then I have you out of here and on to the next video. This is more intimate. I'm anxious to see, so I don't even want to waste any time. Let's remove this. Obviously I need to get a towel and clean that up. So it's basically the next day. I actually took the wig off. I didn't sleep in it, and I removed the stocking cap that I had under here because it really wasn't down that well anyway. I went ahead and relayed the edges since I had already filmed that part. I think I'm going to separate it at the bottom and put it in 2 ponytails, and then I have these little gold clips. So I'm going to, you'll see, it's going to be real cute, or that's what we hope for. Alright, so I'm just going to tie this down, and now let's try to hold the flaps down. If you hold the brush straight up and down and brush through the hair, you get a much smoother detangle. My sister Dominique just told me that. I was in the restroom seeing her do her hair, and that's what she was doing. I thought I'd let y'all know. Let's take a section out, and I'm going to, should I twist it or braid it to put the gold clips on?
Twist does look like Pocahontas look on record.
Yep, I'm recording. And the spur of the moment I asked my mom, she just told me to twist, so I'm gonna twist. Just take a random section and twist it. What do they call this? Bohemian? Take a little rubber band and put that on the end. Now we have, oh yeah, I like the twist. It blends. I'm just going to apply some of these gold clips to really bring out the look. Gotta make sure they secure. Squeeze it to make sure it stays. Okay. Should we do one more? Yeah. On top of the rubber band. I want to also put this in a ponytail. So I'm going to take 2 rubber bands, separate it down the middle. This has a little bit of lace in the back if you will want to define the parting in the back as well. But for me, I'm cool with it like this. I should have put the rubber band on first. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm getting excited. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes, I like that. Let's do the exact same thing to the other side, but in a different order. Put the rubber band on there first. Gonna do the little twist. When you secure the rubber band, if you don't want to put it all the way to the bottom, you can just curl the rest of this. Don't tangle yours like mine. And then it'll still hang and blend with the rest of the hair or the rest of the clips. I think what I'm gonna do instead is open up my little twist. The way it stays on my hair. Split your little twist and then put it on. This is cute. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I wish I would have put a twist here connecting into just this one, not both sides, since this side has majority of the hair since I didn't part down the middle. So that's the idea if y'all would want to do that. I'm going to stop now. I'm about to film a separate makeup tutorial, and then I'll come back once I have the finished look. I pretty much had time to go ahead and finish my makeup, and that also allowed the hair time to dry. The curls are still definitely here. So let me know how you all like this look. I wish I could ask you all what I could call. I can't ask you all what to call this on Instagram before I post the video. That way I have a title in mind, because I don't even know. The hair, even with it being long now, is kind of out of the way by being in these 2 ponytails. You can actually do this with 1 ponytail as well, maybe high up. Just different ways, different styles, you know. Also, if you all do like my makeup, that video link will be in my description box as well as in the cards when it's available. Again, special thank you to PremierLaceWigs for sponsoring this video. I will have all of the details about this hair in my description box for you all down below. I also do have a coupon code for PremierLaceWigs, and that coupon code is Destiny, so I'll have it right here on the screen. That way you all can save some money on your purchase to get yourself some hair. Maybe this hair, some more hair. I also have a blonde wig from them, so I got to figure out what I want to do with that hair. maybe it'll be my birthday hair. Let me know what you all think I should do to my hair for my birthday. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you want questions or comments. Be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye.
That's just how I'm living.